I had a small doubt. When we meditate, sometimes we get loads of thoughts, and even if we try to ignore it, it builds up like a story. So by the end of meditation, we don't even remember a part of it. So what exactly does this happen?
Okay. This is a constant problem we all face. Rush or tornado of thoughts arising in mind, all the time. Babuji Maharaj, he has written in Reality at Dawn chapter, Ways and Means, how to tackle this problem of rush of thoughts. He says we want to bring about mind to stand still or thoughtless during the period of meditation. But unfortunately, we let it wander like a dog during non-meditative hours. We think, having done meditation, the other time period that I have, 23 and a half hour remainder period, I can think whatever I want, I can let my mind wander wherever it goes. No. Bring it back. He says, when you have nothing else to do, think that everything around you is absorbed in God. In order for that thing to happen, I must myself be first absorbed in God, see? Only then its echo will be felt outside. But having this practice of feeling this absorbency even in outer objects will keep my mind focused. That's the one biggest benefit. Second benefit is you will be able to change and impact the atmosphere no matter where you go.